Good morning. Today is all about making vinyl sticker packs. I found doing vendor events, it's easier for me to carry sticker packs than to try to sell individual stickers. It's just easier. Plus, people seem to really like these sticker packs. So I'm going to show you what I do. So these are ones I've already made up, and I'm going to flip it and show you. These are I put 3 to 4, depending on the size, in my packs. I have a whole bunch ready, and then I created my backer cards, which I have to cut. So they'll have to be cut and corner rounded, but they are two-sided with my QR code on it, little information, and then, so they'll be rounded. Alright, I got cut off. So what I was saying was, I did make a little bit of a change to, this is ones I had made already, and so I've changed it to my newer logo, which I think I may need to change the designs. It looks great big, but it doesn't look great on as small. May have to change that, but so there's my sticker packs. So I'll have to cut them, corner around them, and then package them up. And I use little 4x6 cello bags to do that. And I may actually include a few of these in these packs as well. So I'm going to switch some of these up. That way I can make a few more packs up. But I always try to coordinate the stickers. Alright, I'm going to show you a little tip on how I print these. If you see, I create them as a big piece. And then I actually go right here where it says copies per page and hit 4. And what it'll do, it will print out 4 to a sheet. And I print pages 1, as many of them as I need of page 1. And then after I print page 1, I go and print page 2 on the back. And I use a Canon TR-800 or 8600 series. There you go. And it prints out great. I do have my settings as plain paper. I get the most vibrant colors I found with my printer using the plain paper setting instead of using a special cardstock setting. So, just FYI, you may want to try it that way.